O sige, nga na lang, maghimo taog ka ng history about nga naabutan nila kita.
English.
English. Karon,
English, sige.
I cannot speak to English. I cannot understand to how much you about that. Kaubala na siya na how much you and how many is you. Everything is okay. Pero mangutan ako ni Wag before is starting over again. Mangutan ako ni mo before mo ka nagkamit, iingon ka nagka-familiar mo. Yung ano mangutan na mo ka before into the end of the story. Muikot ka nga asig gid ang inyo. So it means ganyan ay kay plano niya. Ang ganda ako ko na balik. Mahalon mo eh.
English. English, sige.
Okay, mag-English na ka.
Okay.
You asking me, and you asking my friend, ambot lang, where you go home after now and after there? And that's why you go away. Why you interested
I am interested because
why you interested to my friend? You asking where you go home now, and where you go at home?
I am interested because
Why? Before me and then before you go.
Maya English na yun, Maya English, Maya English, kaya ano, under ba ni siya ni Juan, Ma'am Interwilas.
Pag sinabi ani ka ng qualities.
Bula-bula.
So nga ni taping bula-bula. Why you excuse us after now? Why you what do you mean? You love my friend? Why you asking me? I asking you what the true love was in you.
I'm just only curious about his son.
No, about the son, no, about the neighbor,
No. Kaya mga na tayo.
about the relation of the family, about where you going now, where you go home now. Why you interested, my friend? Because
I am interested because we talk about the
Kasi English naman yung maka-English, kanina di pa.
son, about the study.
Tama.